Alright. Grease that up, grease the shaft. I need something to get that grease out of there. That shit gonna be a bitch. This'll work. Alright, let's grease this shaft up first. Actually, we can pack this first. Pack that. Get that in there.
I don't need one of them before because I think I had to, my shit was fucked up. I had to like sand that motherfucker down. I had to like grind that motherfucker a little bit.
Oh, to get it to slide on maybe. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, then we got to tap this on. Just using a little hammer. Tap it even. Seal dust cap on. I already pre-lubed it. Pre-lubed the shaft. It's good practice. Pre-lube the shaft. Alright. Dust cap on, so yeah, this can go on. Like a glove. Then you got your front burn and your cap here. So let's do the front burn real quick. This is the cap. Somewhere right there. There we go. So next step, that's the race for the front burn, which is already there. So we ain't gonna fuck with that. Alright, slop a little bit of grease on there. That should be ready. That real good and greasy. That look good enough. Slide that on there. Get to the oh shit. Flat washer, clean it up some, get all that old grease off. That's good enough. And it's only gonna fit one way because it's got a
little knuckle thing.
Yeah, it's got a shape to it. And put your lock nut on. This only get tightened up like snug. I just do it with pliers. Alright, put that on. Snug it, get it on there. Snug that on, then give it a turn. Let me get it a turn. Make sure you ain't got no play in it. No play. Get a little more snug. Then you got your lock cap. That go on there. Actually got to get it lined up with a hole. So
the pin going in the front.
Now we got it lined with a hole. Yep. Then you got your pin right here to keep it in. Keep that from coming loose and everything else. Alright, you gotta bend that back up to get that in. Yeah, so get your pin in. Bend your bottoms out, or just one together. There you go. It usually be a cap that go over this that you hit on. This ain't got it, so we done with this. Spin it, make sure it's spinning free, no play in it. It's ready, it's done, just that fast. Got the old burns, the old dust cap, and that's that. put everything else back together.